How to make your Pinterest account public. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to make your Pinterest account more engaging by converting it into a public profile. Follow these steps. Begin by opening the Pinterest application on your device. On the home page, locate the human icon at the right corner below. Click on it to access your profile. At the top of the screen, you will see the settings icon. Click on it and then click on profile visibility here. In the profile visibility section, you will see that the option for private profile is currently enabled. To make your Pinterest account public, simply toggle the button to disable the private profile option. After turning off the private profile option, your account will be public. Anyone on Pinterest can now view your profile, pins, and following list. That's it. You have successfully made your Pinterest account public, allowing for increased engagement and visibility. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.